Medela Harmony Manual Breast Pump with PersonalFit Flex Breast Shield. Product details. Medela Harmony is a single, manual breast pump designed for occasional time away from your baby. This breast pump is a great option for travel or as an occasional backup to your double electric breast pump. A small, lightweight, and portable design makes transport easy and discreet for convenient pumping at home, at work, or on the go. Best of all, an included Medela PersonalFit Flex breast shield means more milk faster, when compared to the traditional breast shield. These shields are designed to reduce pressure on the breast and optimize milk flow, giving you more milk faster. Single manual pump ideal for occasional time away from your baby, or as a backup to your usual double electric breast pump. Easily fits into your handbag, perfect for traveling. Research-based technology uses two-phase technology to mimic natural baby sucking behavior at the mother's breast. PersonalFit Flex Breast Shield has a unique 105-degree angle, oval shape, and soft rim, offering a better fitting breast shield for optimal comfort while pumping and more milk per session. Soft touch, ergonomic swivel handle for added comfort. Convenient bottle stand helps prevent spills. Easy to use and clean, leaving you with more time to spend with baby. What's included? 1. Harmony breast pump. Handle, diaphragm, stem with O-ring. 1. 2.4 mm PersonalFit Flex breast shield. 1. 5 Oz breast milk bottle with lid. 1. Valve and membrane. Instructions for use. Content appearance may vary from picture.